Now GST is to be called as one nation one tax. GST will be extended to whole of the India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Now Jammu and Kashmir are also come under the ambit of Union Territory today. On 7 July 2017, the Jammu and Kashmir Goods Service Tax Bill 2017 was passed by the state legislature, empowering the state to levy the state GST on interstate supply with the effect from 8 July 2017. So from 8 July 2017, in all over the India, for sale of goods and services, there will be GST, excluding few items such as alcoholic liquor for human consumption and for sale of petroleum oil, etc., petroleum product, etc. So the GST regime makes truly a one nation one tax regime. Now we know that GST is a dual GST model. It is also being called as dual GST model. India adopted a dual GST where tax imposed concurrently by the central and state. SGST, that means state GST, is to be implemented by respective state government and is to be collected by the state government. CGST is to be charged by the central government and is also to be collected by the central government. IGST, that means integrated GST, is to be collected by the central government on interstate supply of the goods and services. Now, for Union Territory, India have the following Union Territory: Chandigarh, Lakshadweep, Daman-Diu, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is to be extended further by Jammu and Kashmir and Leh and Ladakh. They are also to be taken as the Union Territory, and for the Union Territory, SGST is to be replaced by, here the SGST is to be replaced by UTGST. For Union Territory, there will be no state, so here there will be no SGST. In respect of SGST, in replacement of SGST, there will be Union Territory GST, which is called UTGST, and this is to be collected by the central government, because the law and administration of the Union Territory are fully controlled by the central government. So the tax revenue for making intrastate sale on that Union Territory are fully controlled by the central government, and they are collecting GST by way of CGST and UTGST. Now, how we decide IGST or CGST, SGST? Now, location of the supplier and place of supply. If location of the supplier and place of supply are in the same state, then this is called intrastate transaction. I repeat again, when location of the supplier and place of supply both are in the same state, it is called intrastate transaction. And for intrastate transaction, there will be CGST plus SGST. That means here the GST is to be segregated between central government and state government in the ratio of 1:1. But when location of the supplier and place of supply are not in the same state, then it is to be treated as interstate transaction, and for interstate transaction there will be IGST. So Whenever place of supply and location of the supplier are in the same state, then it is called intrastate transaction, and for intrastate transaction there will be CGST plus SGST. That means total GST is to be segregated between central government and state government. And where location of the supplier and place of supply are not in the same state, that means are in the different state, it is to be treated as interstate supply, and for interstate supply there will be IGST, that means integrated GST.